I just thought I'd come and show everybody. We got a visitor. Little Lammy is a triplet. He's had his milk and he's having a kip. So he's happy as Larry. Larry the lamb.
Come on. Give you a bit more
I
milk.
don't want him, so don't like him.
Triplet.
Nice colour, a black one.
Come on, sit down. Put your leg over.
That's so cute. Is it a girl?
No.
It's going to be a film star.
Sound off.
Got burping now like a baby.
You want a burp? Do you want some more?
How much you meant to give him?
I'm going to give him what I think. He's getting a bit fed up now. Your little fat belly, isn't it? Look at your belly. Your belly. I've had him in the sun and been going to sleep.
Yes. Cute.